Managing configurations. The Configurations feature lets you specify printer settings, firmware level, color print permissions, Embedded Solutions Framework or ESF applications, and CA certificates. To create a secure configuration, create a configuration from an existing printer. From the printer listing page, select a printer, click Configure, and then click Create Configuration from Printer. This process imports the advanced security settings of the printer, such as user accounts and the associated permissions. To edit the configuration, click Configurations, All Configurations, and then click the configuration name. From the Basic tab, note that all the settings are selected. We recommend selecting only the settings that apply to your new configuration. To find a setting quickly, use the Views menu to show the settings by type, or filter the settings by name using the Filter search box. To clear all the settings, select and then clear the topmost checkbox beside Setting. Select the settings that you want to edit. To show only your selected settings, click Show Only Included Settings. For some settings, you may need to use printer-specific data, such as contact name. In these cases, you can use a variable setting by assigning a string as a token. The token must begin with a $, and the variable name must be enclosed in curly brackets. When MVE is evaluating a setting with a token included, it checks the imported CSV file to match the variable with the identifiers. For more information, see the Markvision Enterprise Administrator's Guide. Color print permissions restrict color printing to specific users or host computers. From the Color Print Permissions tab, in the View menu, select Host Computers or Users. Enable the color print permissions and then click Add. Add a user or a host computer. You can also set the host computer permission to override the user permission. You can also upload firmware, ESF applications, and CA certificates to the resource library and then include them to the configuration. ESF applications must be downloaded from Package Builder to be compatible with MVE. If you are not familiar with Package Builder, then contact your Lexmark representative. ESF application settings cannot be managed in the configuration. To deploy ESF settings to a printer, export the settings from a configured printer. From the printer listing page, select one or more printers. Click Configure, and then deploy file to printers. After creating a configuration, deploy it to one or more printers of the same model. From the printer listing page, select one or more printers. Click Configure, and then click Assign Configurations. For each printer model, you can see the configurations created for that model. Select the configurations and then click Assign Configurations. After the configurations are assigned, MVE checks the printers for conformance to the configuration. MVE shows out-of-conformance printers when the settings do not match the specified settings. To check the settings, click the printer IP address and then navigate to the Printer Details page. Click Configuration Properties to see the expected settings and the actual settings that are out of conformance. To bring the printer back into conformance, from the printer listing page, select the printer, click Configure, and then click Enforce Configurations. MVE sends the correct setting values that are specified in the configuration. Conformance and enforcement tasks can be scheduled. Click Tasks and then click Schedule. Create a schedule by selecting the task, the saved search, the date and time, and the frequency. Configurations can also be deployed automatically to printers during a discovery. From the Discovery Profile page, in the Assign Configurations menu, select the configuration associated with the printer model.